Want to reset a hero in Mobile Dungeon? Here's a quick 60-second guide. Step 1. Open the main menu, then tap Settings. Step 2. Select Hero Management and pick the hero you want to reset. Step 3. Tap Reset, then choose between Reset Skills or Reset Stats. Step 4. Check the cost, gems or reset tickets, and preview the results. Preview shows before and after, level, skills, and total power. Double-check changes. Step 5. Press Confirm to apply the reset. This is final unless you have rollback items. If you have a rollback item, select Use Rollback immediately to restore the previous setup. After reset, reassign skill points and re-equip preferred gear for best results. Compare stats again, check attack, defense, agility, and total power to verify improvements. Quick tip: save builds as presets before resetting so you can reload configurations fast. That's it, hero reset complete. Subscribe for more mobile dungeon tips and tricks.